Hooray for water, splash and play. A bright blue stream on a sunny day. Babloo the monkey, cheeky and small, called his friends, come one, come all. Little kids with buckets bright ran to the pond with pure delight. They dipped their toes, they squealed with glee. Come on, Babloo, come splash with me. Babloo swung down from a jungle tree, did a cannonball, splash! Whee! Water droplets everywhere, rainbow sparkles in the air. They built a fountain with bamboo sticks, made little boats from jungle twigs, raced them down the bubbly stream, laughing loud, a watery dream. A crocodile peeked with a friendly grin, saw the kids jump and dive right in. Frogs went ribbit, fish went swish, Babloo danced with a slippery fish. Under the sun they played and ran, filling buckets, pouring on their clan. Little feet stomped in puddles round, to squeals of laughter the only sound. They found a waterfall, crystal clear, echoing splashes far and near. Babloo swung vines above the spray, the kids all shouted, hooray, hooray! Hooray! They slid on rocks so smooth and wet, water games they won't forget. A jungle slide made just by streams, turning giggles into dreams. When the sun began to dip down low, golden rays gave a gentle glow. They sat by the pond, tired but bright, faces shining in soft twilight. Babloo passed out, coconut sweet, the kids sipped water, what a treat. Their clothes all soaked but hearts so warm, water adventures became their charm. So if you hear a jungle cheer, splashes, giggles, laughter near, it's Babloo and his water crew, playing adventures fresh and new. Hooray for wild and free, puddles, rivers, bald and sea, middle lawns with trains so wide, and Toddler will be